case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1988, a case involving the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and John D. Copanos and Sons, Inc., along with its affiliate, Kanasco, Limited, centered around the FDA's power to withdraw drug applications and issue a permanent injunction against a company for violating regulations. Both companies, which manufactured and distributed human and veterinary drugs, initially had their applications approved by the FDA, but this approval was later withdrawn due to Kanasco's inadequate methods, facilities, and controls. Kanasco was found to have violated a 1984 agreement by shipping drugs without approval and withholding records. Facing a possible permanent injunction, Kanasco agreed to a consent decree of permanent injunction, which prohibited the company from distributing any injectable drugs until they complied with CGMP. However, the FDA discovered further CGMP deficiencies and ordered Kanasco to cease manufacturing and sending injectable drugs permanently. The court considered issues surrounding the sufficiency of notice provided by the FDA, Kanasco's response to the allegations, and the FDA's denial of petitions for reconsideration and revocation. In the end, the court denied Kanasco's petition for review and upheld the FDA's decision to withdraw approval for their applications. The court held that Kanasco's NDAs and NADAs for injectable drugs were justly withdrawn by the FDA without a hearing due to Kanasco's failure to address methodological deficiencies and unresponsiveness to allegations. The court also affirmed Kanasco's violation of the 1984 agreement, consent decree of permanent injunction, and non-compliance with CGMP.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.